I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 7:55. Huh. So yesterday I found that my moped air was not there. So it may cause an accident. I don't know it was done by anyone. I cannot tell this. Huh? But what do you call it? So yesterday's defamation was I gave my example that they smashed my face. Uh, they hate beautiful people, who the Honduras scammers, and they hate rich people. So giving this information, it landed up back on me as if uh, I am the one who is gonna do this. How would I do this? Huh? Uh, what do you call it? In when I use abusive language, within 30 minutes I feel that there is something on my chest. I have to release it from my. So I immediately, within half an hour or 1 hour, I immediately say sorry for that abusive language. And doing like this, you really think that I am that rotten? I'm not this cruel. I know what I have lost. It's very painful to lose. I am calming myself by speaking with myself, and I'm at the procedure of Laluchesia. I'm angry all the time. I'm releasing myself. I think this way. I cannot be with anyone. I cannot make friends. Uh, Being with someone, this doesn't mean that it's only a girl or anything. No friends. No, not until I get the clearance. You never may know what is happening. So look, warning someone has become this thing to me. And I guess in my last hunting, Andheri, where all the film stars live, I used to go there for hunting, and I came to know a lot of stuff. Bank and government app, and hidden bugs, and a lot more other stuff. So probably these are film industry people, and they thought I am a competition to them. Why will I be a competition to them? Clearly, I announced in 2016 I am going in foreign countries. Hmm? What, I don't have to do anything with Bollywood. Why would I be a competition to them? So they could smash my face. So I guess that's how Chemburist people knew. They always used to check my moped air. Chemburist young boys and girls, they knew that something is happening against me. So they always used to check, but 5th May I was not that lucky. They did what they were supposed to do. So I guess it must be the same, the air thing. Air removed so I could fall down. It must be that. And look, I ain't that cruel. I only gave information what that Handori people did, what these scammers did, and what this Bollywood is up to. I am not from Bollywood. I clearly say, I am not working with them. मैं किसी के हाथ नहीं आने वाला, किसी के भी नहीं. I I want to. I know who should I work with and who should I not. I was going at a, what do you call it, where my league is. Hmm? My league people are. Bollywood is not my thing, and I am never gonna work with them. These people have the stuff. They can do whatever they want. Huh? They can do whatever they want. Hmm? This thing has come, and plus with the defamation of this, how would I do such a horrible thing to anyone? How painful it is, I know. How painful. how painful it is. I look at myself in the mirror and I calm myself. No, it will go. Huh? How painful it is, I know. So, lose their charm. Somehow I, what do you call it? Release myself, speak, talk to myself, and I cannot be friends with anyone. Not until the court clearance. It's not gonna happen. So they did a horrible mess. Huh? I gave here, you do whatever you want. Still it's coming on me. Still they are doing this. What do they want exactly? What do they want? Tell me, what do they want? Huh? Tell me what a guy should do. Tell me directly what I should do. Huh? What they want from me? Content, give it away. That's the reason they deleted data from portable hard disk. They damaged Dell. They stopped my what do you call it? Press conference. What more do they want? They wanted it that desperately. That's why I gave it to them. Take it. If they didn't want it, then they do. Why did they do these damages? They wanted, right? And I gave it to them. And I also gave the technique how you can save yourself, because my burden will be their burden now. Right? And over that I am getting accused, and I gave as a, what do you call it? My burden is upon your head. Whatever happened to me, it shouldn't happen to you people. Look, this thing has happened to me. I am giving you, I am getting, what do you call it? Giving you the exact information, not any made up thing. And this thing with me. So, मैं जो बोलता हूँ ना, वो मैं परफेक्ट बोलता हूँ. मैं जिसकी भी मदद करूँ ना, ये मेरे भाग्य में है, वो मेरी ही गांड मारता है. जिसके साथ अच्छा रहो तो ये मेरा भाग्य है. इसमें किसी का दोष नहीं है. ये मेरा भाग्य है सर. Anyways, I just woke up and what more do I want? I'm going somewhere. I'll do my time, and I'll see my sister as well. Huh? This ain't no. This world is not that strong enough to stop me from meeting my sister as well. Huh? The one who is in US. This world is not that strong. Telling this word to stop me. And if I want to, I don't want to see her that I'm going there to see her. No, I'm going for my work and everything. But you got what you wanted, right? That's why you were troubling me. You got. I have nothing left. Try to understand. Already my family crisis is happening. And it's not a made up thing that my family crisis is happening. You can do research, and these hidden bugs and all this stuff can give you that what is the reality and what did I speak. Seriously, there is a crisis going on. You wanted it so desperately, I gave it to you. That's it. And if you are fighting among themselves, yourself, what can I do? Huh? Even after giving, there is a fight. What could I do? How could I come there between you and do that bhadwagiri? That don't fight, don't fight. I in the and the people I don't even know. You people wanted this desperately. I gave it to you, and I also gave you how to save yourself. What more do you want? And I also gave this that the scammers might, the 100 people might do the race thing. As could I see, they will try to frame a particular race. Point in. You wanted this, I gave it to you. You people worked as a team, huh? To snatch it away, huh? And with get in no troubles. I just gave it to you. I got fed up now. I couldn't be this guy no more. That keep on getting angry, keep on getting doing abusive language. It's messing my head. Already this scam has messed my head a lot, messed my head, life and everything. I gave it to him. And Bollywood people, why did they do this? I still don't get it. It happened to me while coming back from Andheri. That means when I went for hunting for these extortion people, there it has happened. Yeah? And that's where I found that the government app compromised and bank thing, ATM thing. So that's how I suspect there is a clone ATM card of my mother. And hookers used hidden bugs. Look, the stuff which I do, I write. I'm writing it down. Someone wants that too, as I could see. So that's why this one more accident. This is called not letting live. Touch me, smashing my face, breaking me all the time, and whatever. Even though you are in big number, फिर भी मैं हाथ नहीं आएगा किसी के हाथ नहीं आएगा. I decide who I be friends and be with.